Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better.
Hello my gingerbread and Jellybeans, welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. Our face looks shiny and thing, but I want to say I've reached 400 subscribers, and I just want to say thanks to all my gingerbread and Jellybean, all the old gingerbread and Jellybean and all the new ones that have been supporting me over the past 2 years since I've been on YouTube. I need to check that just to be sure. Since I've been on YouTube, having 400 subscribers, 401 to be exact, is very exciting for me. It actually means that there is 400. Can't do what's good. 800. 800 eyes watching my YouTube channel. And if you split that in the middle, that's like say one person have one eye. One eye per person. That's like 1,600. You guys do the math, but you understand what I'm saying. But having 400 subscribers mean a lot. But what is really important to me is the fact that my subscribers continue to watch my videos. On average, I have between 3,000 to 4,000 views per month, and that's actual views per month that my gingerbread and Jellybean and outside subscribers or outside viewers watch on the channel. So I just want to say enough respect to all the people that have been there with me from the start and are still here with me now, and all the new gingerbread and Jellybean that's there with me, that come on board and support what I do on this channel. Now, as you know, my channel is a positive channel. I'll try to do motivational video. I try to uplift people in personal development. I try to reason out things and be understanding and fair. I try to give advice. That is what my channel is about. However, at times you're not going to agree with me, you're going to disagree with me, which is fine with me. I appreciate that. I appreciate your opinion and your honesty, and I do take your advice most of the time, because I have to be honest, my channel is very positive. Even the feedbacks I get is positive, and I believe that it's because of the positive attitude I have and pushing out the positivity to you guys, why I'm getting back the positivity, which is good. That is what I want. I don't want the negative. Yes, the negative can teach you things, but there's too much of that going on in, say, the real world, even though YouTube is a platform to showcase what an individual have. But this is me in real life, and my friends from high school can tell you, John, Minto, Gary, everybody, my family, my auntie, everybody can tell you this is me. So things that I say on the channel, this is me, it's a part of me. Things that I do in real life, I'll motivate and I help and I encourage people. So that is what I do. So you guys can look out more for that. I know my channel is not perfect in any way, shape or form. I'm just getting my equipment. I'm getting up my stuff going on. It's my light here, it's wonderful and it's working and it's very bright and it's blinding me, but said the work of God. But I'm trying to invest in YouTube and putting out better quality and stuff like that, and try to keep it consistent, consistently uploading videos so you guys can get to watch, at least upload every week. I won't say upload 3 videos or 4 videos, I won't put myself in that position, but I'll upload every week. So all the new people can look out for that. My old fans, my old gingerbread and Jellybean, you guys know whenever I drop the content, whenever I drop my video, you guys are here and you check it out, and I really appreciate that. Yeah, but just look out for more good things. This is one of the t-shirts that I did. This is like the first t-shirt I did. I want to do that more. I want to do like t-shirts and stuff like that, and even try to send them out to lucky people or stuff like that. But no, that's down the road. If you guys willing to support it, you can buy a t-shirt. But in terms of my money going into YouTube, I have to try to get equipment first before all that fun, nice stuff. But I just want to do this at 400 subscribers. Yeah, me, yeah, us. you know, the journey continue, journey of upliftment and knowledge, you know, inspiration, inspire the youths them, the ghetto youths them, you don't know. So, you know, bless up people. Rain falling outside right now, it's soothing and it's really nice. So, you know, I'm just going to relax, edit this video and post it so you guys can get it. So, you know, thanks for everything, thanks for joining. Journey with me. My God.